Welcome. In this class, we are going to do some more practical examples or sample examples related to trigonometric functions. For that, some formulas. Formula to transform the product into sum or difference. That is 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Another one, 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 sin A sin B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, these formulas are learned in previous classes. Okay, and the formulas for transforming sums and difference into product are sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. 3 cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. Okay. See some more examples. Prove that sin A plus sin 3A divided by cos A plus cos 3A equal to tan 2A. Solution for proving this, take the LHS. LHS equal to sin A plus sin 3A divided by cos A plus cos 3A. See the numerator is like this, sin C plus sin D. It is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, and the denominator is of the form equation 3, okay, or formula 3, cos A plus cos 3A. So using these above formulas, we can rewrite it as 2 sin A plus 3A divided by 2 into cos A minus 3A by 2 divided by 2 cos A plus 3A divided by 2 into cos A minus 3A divided by 2. Okay, 2 and 2 get cancels. See, sin A plus 3A, it is 4A. 4A by 2 is 2A into cos A minus 3A. A minus 3A is minus 2A. Minus 2A by 2 is minus A. Cos minus A divided by, here cos A plus 3A, it is 4A by 2, 2A. Cos 2A into cos A minus 3A is minus 2A. Minus 2A divided by 2. Minus 2A by 2 is minus A. Okay, so cos minus A get cancels, and sin 2A by cos 2A is tan 2A. It is the RHS. Okay, hence it is proved. Next one, prove that cos 5 theta, cos 3 theta plus 2 cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta divided by cos theta plus 2 cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta equal to cos 5 theta divided by cos 3 theta. For getting the solution, take the LHS. LHS equal to cos 3 theta plus, right, cos 7 theta is the second time, plus 2 cos 5 theta divided by cos theta plus cos 5 theta plus 2 cos 3 theta. Okay. Using the above identity, we can write this as cos A plus cos B or cos C plus cos B is 2 cos a plus or c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That therefore 2 cos 7 theta plus 3 theta divided by 2 into cos 7 theta minus 3 theta divided by 2 plus 2 cos 5 theta. Similarly, the denominator becomes 2 cos 5 theta plus theta plus 5 theta divided by 2 into cos 5 theta minus theta divided by 2 plus 2 cos 3 theta equal to 2 cos 7 theta plus 3 theta is 10 theta. 10 theta by 2, 5 theta. Into cos 7 theta minus 3 theta is 4 theta. 4 theta by 2 is 2 theta. Cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 5 theta divided by 2 cos 3 theta into cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 3 theta. Okay. Taking 2 cos 5 theta as common factor in numerator, 2 cos 5 theta into cos 2 theta plus 1. The denominator, cos 2 cos 3 theta as common factor. 2 cos 3 theta into cos 2 theta plus 1. Okay, 2 cos 2 theta plus 1, cos 2 theta plus 1 get cancels, 2 and 2 get cancels, and the remaining is cos 5 theta divided by cos 3 theta, which is the RHS. Okay. Next one, find the value of sin 18. Solution. Let a equal to 18. We know that 5a equal to 5 into 18, that is 90 degree. Then split 5a into 2a plus 3a. That is 5a is 2a plus 3a equal to 90 degree. Okay. So 2a equal to 90 degree minus 3a. Then take sign on both sides. So sin 2a equal to sin 90 minus 3a. Sin 90 minus 3a is cos 3a. Cos 3a. Okay. Cos 3a. That is sin 2a equal to cos 3a. Sin 2a equal to cos 3a. Also, we know the identities. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, and cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay. So, applying the identities, we get sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, and cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay. That is 2 sin a cos a equal to, from the RHS take cos a as a common factor, that is 4 cos square a minus 3. Okay, 4 cos square a minus 3 cancels cos a. From LHS and RHS we get 2 sin a equal to 4 cos square a minus 3. Then we convert this cos square a in terms of sin square a. We know that sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, or cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so this becomes 2 sin a equal to 4 into cos square a is 1 minus sin square a minus 3. That is 2 sin a equal to 4 minus 4 sin square a minus 3. By rearranging this equation in the quadratic form, we get 4 sin square a plus 2 sin a minus 1 equal to 0. So this is an quadratic in sign. Okay. So for finding the values of sin a, we get minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 16 divided by 8. That is, if the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the value of x is what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we are using this formula. Okay, so it is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 16. It is root 20. Root 20 by 8. Okay, that's equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 20 can be written as 4 into 5 divided by 8. So this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. Okay, taking 2 common factor, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 8. 2 and 8 cancels, the remaining is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Okay, therefore the value of sin a is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. The values are minus 1 plus root 5 and minus by 4 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Since 18 degree, it's an acute angle, so sin 18 degree is positive, and the value of sin 18 is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Okay. See, what is the value of cos 18? Cos 18. We know that cos 18 equal to root of 1 minus sin square 18. Okay. It's equal to square root of 1 minus sin 18 is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 the whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus or we can rewrite them like this, root 5 minus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to 1 minus 4 square is 16. Here we can expand root 5 minus 1 the whole square as 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1. Okay. It's equal to square root of 1 minus 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 2 root 15 by 16. Okay. Which is equal to square root of 1 minus 2 into 3 minus root 5 by 16 is equal to square root of 1 minus 3 minus root 5 by 8. Okay, taking 8 as LCM, we get square root of 8, 8 minus 3 plus root 5, which is equal to square root of 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 plus root 5 by 8. Okay. Next is find the value of cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree can be written as cos 2 into 18 degree. Also, we know that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Using this identity, this term can be rewritten as 1 minus cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So, 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degree. Okay. Also, we know the value of sin 18 degree. Sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So, it is equal to, or cos 36 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin 18 degrees root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So, sin square 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Okay. So, it's equal to 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 is equal to what? It is of the form a minus b the whole square. We can expand this root 5 minus 1 the whole square is 5 a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by 4 square is 16. So, it is equal to 1 minus 2 by 16 is 8. 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus root 2 root 5 divided by 8. Okay. So, taking the LCM as 8, we get 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5. So, 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 plus 2 root 5 divided by 8. Taking 2 as a common factor, 1 plus root 5 by 8. Okay. So, it's equal to 2 and 8 get cancels and the remaining is 1 plus root 5 by 4. So, the value of cos 36 is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 4. Using this cos 36 degree, we can find the value of sin 36 degree. We know that sin 36 degree equal to 1 minus sin square 36 degree equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degree, or sin 36 degree equal to square root of 1 minus cos square 36 degree. Okay, this is equal to square root of 1 minus the value of cos 36 is 1 plus root 5 by 4 the whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 5 divided by 16. So, this is equal to square root of here it is 1 minus. Okay. So taking 16 as LCM, 16 minus 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. Okay. So this is equal to square root of 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. 16 minus 6 is 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16 is equal to square root of, taking 2 as a common factor, 5 minus root 5 divided by 6. This is equal to 2 and 6 gets cancels and the remaining is 1 by 3 into 5 minus root 5. Okay. So cos sin 36 degree is equal to 5 minus root 5 divided by 3.